everyone, welcome to Life of Clay and Kenji here, your sculptor. Today, I will be demonstrating how I condition the translucent clay of cosclay in my own brutal way. I heard some reviews from my other copolymer clay artists who tried the cosclay translucent clay and they said it is quite hard and crumbly when it is first pulled out of the package. And yes, it feels like so. But I'm not bothered of that at all because I have my own way in dealing with such problem. First, let's remove the packaging, and I'm saving the label here because it is my hobby to keep them and stick them on the container that will contain the clay. And I do the same thing whenever I bought a new type of clay in my workplace to avoid mix-up. Then I just cut few slabs of the clay, and as we can see here, yes, it is quite crumbly, but cosclay made a solution for that to aid us for conditioning it. Then I just lay them over this plastic film and drizzle them with this softening agent of cosclay. And this will freshen up the clay and it becomes malleable. And then let's just fold in the plastic to sandwich the clays, and using my clay molnier to hammer them down. Of course, we cannot hammer down the clay over my work table, so we will move on to the floor and begin the hammering. I bought this hammer from Amazon and you can use hammers that suit your arm strength, but for me I prefer this heavier one because it does the job efficiently. I just fold in the clay in between hammering and add some more softening agent as needed and just continue working on it. And just a reminder to all my beloved viewers, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get more notification whenever I upload a new video. And please support my channel by liking the video, commenting on it, and sharing it. And don't worry guys, cause it's all free. And let's stop here at this moment because I think it's now soft enough and ready. And look guys, it is now well conditioned and reached its workable state. It is now ready for sculpting, and stay tuned here in my channel to see what will be the first sculpture that I will be making out of this wonderful translucent clay of cosclay. And thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Have a wonderful day, everyone.